Good morning. Bode is in a trance. He's so excited, he's paralyzed of the brain. Brielle, where are we going today? All Emmy's been able to talk about is going to Hawaii. Every day we have to say, no, it's in 3 more days. It's in 2 more days. It's tomorrow. And even then she wasn't satisfied with it being tomorrow, which is now today. And
she's mad.
Yeah, she's a little bit upset. Oh, Cosy!
We're going to airplane today! We're going to Hawaii! We're going to Hawaii! We're going to Hawaii! We're going to Hawaii!
We're going to Hawaii! We're going to Hawaii! We're going to Hawaii! We're going to Hawaii! We're going to Hawaii!
We got a lot of luggage. Car seats, bags, backpacks.
Look over,
and we got all our people.
Our people.
Okay, we just got off our shuttle. We're ready to go to check-in. We got a lot of luggage and only 2 grown-ups to pull it. Okay, you guys ready? Okay. You ready?
The mama duckling. Getting all her chicklets ready to get on the plane.
So we are here, we're with my family. We're all about to get on the plane. We've all got our food, bathroom breaks. So hopefully the next 6 hours go smooth. Are we ready?
Crossing my fingers. She's ready.
Are you ready? Are you ready, Brielle?
Yeah!
You ready, Bode?
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds like we're ready.
Let's go!
Hi there, good morning family. How you doing? Welcome on Delta. Welcome aboard.
Are you buckled in? Are you safe? We're all situated. We got Mom, Brielle, Cosy sandwiched in the middle over there. Hi, baby. Emmy's got her chicken, so she's good. And then Bode's up there somewhere. Hey, dude.
So we've been on the plane for like an hour maybe, but we haven't left yet. They're having some mechanical issues, so we're just sitting on the plane.
Which is exactly what you want to hear before you fly.
Yeah, mechanical issues and plane ride. No, that's not what you want. It's not like a real problem. It's like with the dinging sounds, they just keep going off. So we're waiting for them to try to fix that. But in the meantime, we just got another hour added to our time in a plane. So that's good. Bad news. We're getting off the plane now.
And not because we're in Hawaii, yeah. We haven't left the ground.
Oh yeah.
We're back on. Still haven't started moving. I don't think Emmy quite understands that we're, I mean, she gets that we're on an airplane, she gets that we're gonna fly, but I wanted her to be able to look out the window so she could see us leaving Mother Earth as we know her. Yeah, you're gonna look out the window and watch us fly and take off. It's gonna be awesome. Guess what? It's fixed. We finally get to go. Here we go. It's so awesome. Whoa. We're going faster. We're going faster. We're going faster than our car. Whoa, you feel it? You feel it? And we're off the ground. This is like your homework. Okay, keep doing your homework.
Cosy's resting.
It's not too tight. It's not tight.
Ember's getting back in her car seat over there. I mean, her seatbelt over there. Hey, Bear. We're almost to Hawaii. Yay!
Going to Hawaii. We're going to Hawaii. We're going to Hawaii. And there she is. There's Oahu. We made it. We made it.
Okay, we made it. Now we're getting off the plane. What? Here we go. Keep going. Good job. Bye, thank you.
We made it. Emmy was a trooper. She brought that all the way from the baggage claim to here. It's a lot of peeps. It's 11 o'clock in Hawaii, which means it's 2 o'clock at home. So it's been a long day. But we're here. We gotta go see the ocean. You don't come all this way and just go to bed. Is there an ocean out here? Did you guys find one? Bree, what does tired look like?
These girls sleeping in with their books on.
They're tuckered out. That was a long day for them. Welcome to Hawaii, Cosy. Welcome to Hawaii, Emmy Bear. Bode and his cousin Austin.